Does playing jazz piano sound hard or scary for you? Let's look at a thumb trick to add that jazz flavour of major 7 and flat 9 chords in a lesson all under 3 minutes. Here we go. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, I could not play a note of piano without my music, as I trained classically and seemed to have a terrible memory, until one day a friend showed me what he was doing, and then I started having some jazz piano sessions. Today, let's look at one easy trick to do with our thumb, and then we'll zip through some free jazz and look at a rhythmic progression too. So let's start by blocking out a C chord in our right hand and C octaves in our left hand. Now step your thumb down one note from your C, and this will create a major 7 chord of C major. And then let's roll those an octave higher and higher again to ripple up the piano. You can start out by playing this in a rhythmic way, but then the aim is just to let it flow naturally up the piano. Next, let's move up to an F chord and do the same thing again. Block your F in root position, step the thumb down one note, and this creates an F major 7. Then we can lead with this thumb and float to the next E and ripple, next E and ripple, and so on. That can be really fun with free jazz because we don't have to feel a beat or keep a pulse or anything going continually. We can just drift around up and down the chords, float to different chords that you want to experiment with. And there's not a regular beat or continual pulse in this music. And this developed in sort of the mid-20th century, about the 1960s onwards, coming from jazz that was more the 1920s, which was kind of descending then from the blues, which was more about the 1860s onwards, originating from African American cultures. Next, let's put that major 7 pattern into a bit of a progression. Let's start, if C is our 1, let's go 1, then chord 4, chord 2 is the minor, and then we'll end with a G. And I'll show you a little trick on the G as well. So we want to keep our 7 tonality, plus also add an A flat, which becomes our flat 9 of the G chord. And that really wants to strongly pull us back to our chord 1 again. Let's check it out. So we can play this progression also in a bit more of a block way by playing the left hand and then the right hand and then a combination between the hands, and we can say play, jump in, a swinging, play, jump in, a swinging. Here we go. Play, jump in, a swinging, play, jump in, a swinging. And then all again if you like. So create some of your own music and let me know how you go in the comments, and if you'd like some more jazz and blues type lessons for you as well. Well, have fun with that and happy music making, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!